नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका हमारा घर में स्वागत है.
So, as you know, we have moved a lot of times till now.
10 times.
Till
No.
now. Do we really have to count
8.
it now?
पता नहीं, भूल गई.
2 times in Jaipur, 2 times in Mumbai, 2 times in Goa.
तीसरा बार भी हो
तीसरा
जाएगा.
बार भी हो जाएगा.
But इस बार
We are staying in Goa, but we are moving in Goa.
हाँ. But before we're moving, this is going to be the house tour.
Yes.
तो चलो.
Let's start.
चलो, स्वागत है हमारा घर में. आजा 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 आजा. Okay, so let's start with this mess. Like Arjun is working there sometimes on his laptop, sometimes I'm working there. Supposed to be a dining, but
There is a multi-purpose table.
everything cannot be aesthetic. But the rest is aesthetic. तो चलो. तो ये है हमारा सबसे पुराना bookshelf. Like the shelf itself, we got it in our first flat in Jaipur. But the books are new, like some of them. So it's getting more and more nice. At least it's looking like someone is reading. That's me. Arjun doesn't.
Because books are for dumb people. They need to get smart. The already smart people don't need to read the books, right? I have real world experience, right?
Be prepared for the shitstorm.
In the comments.
तो ये है हमारा सोफा और इस पिक्चर्स मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रही हो. The next home will be more beautiful. You know it. Every home was an upgrade from the last home.
And you know what? These are the perks to live on the rent. It's actually a nice thing to live on the rent just like that because once you're bored, you cannot move, right? Once you buy,
Looking like a boot.
because the sunlight is directly on our face. ठीक है, you got my point, right, guys? मतलब किराए पे रहने का फायदा ये.
हाँ, तो हमारा sofas you already know. These are still the same like from the first flat. But what's actually pretty different than in Jaipur is this beautiful view.
And the wind.
And the wind, yeah, it's a it's a sunset flat and there's lots of wind. So it's really fresh. The house never gets actually hot. We are rarely using the AC. Environment friendly. So the benefit of living in Goa is that everything is just spreading, like everything is growing, everything is lush green. Like we have here arugula and we have palak and what else? We have curry leaves and we have spring onion and celery. Yeah, we have lots of things. So this wall we actually painted by ourselves and it was so fun. And I feel like, you know, even though we could hire some professional painters who do the job properly, we really enjoyed that. And I just feel like you can't see a difference if it's made professionally or if two idiots have done it. So ये है हमारा TV shelf and actually this one is really cute because this is Sonu's paw and Peanut's paw. And I know lots of people are asking about Sonu, but we are going to make a separate video about that. By the way, look at this cute Buddha. ये है हमारा get ready with us space. Like we actually created that especially for shooting Get Ready With Us, you know. So this is a really beautiful aesthetic place and we didn't know what else to do with it because it's a huge flat and it was just an empty space. So we made use of it. And just for you to know, I made this also by myself. It's like maybe I choose the wrong profession. I should do something crafty, something, you know, creative. Carpenter. Maybe I should be a carpenter.
Yeah, by the way, I need some carpenters in my company. You just need to give an interview.
I will think about it.
How much salary do you expect?
1 crore in a month. These curtains I actually got in an offer and you know I changed this, I mean not these curtains, but I changed the curtains in general like approximately 5 times just to find out the right color. Hello Arjun. So they're just fitting and enhancing the space, like they're not making it small or dark or anything. And you know behind that there's also a window, but it's no use because it's just a parking and it's not really.
There's also plant.
Oh yeah, there's a little plant. And this mirror is of course the highlight of this whole space besides my moldings. अभी चलते हैं किचन पर और ये किचन सबसे छोटा है। और पहले ही मुझे लगता था कि ठीक है 2 लोग के लिए एक छोटा सा किचन तो चलेगा, but it's so hot when we're cooking. We have to close the window. The winter is coming, right? So we cannot use the gas, and then it becomes just really, really hot. I'm really looking forward a little bit of a bigger kitchen in the new flat, but it's okay. I think we made the best out of it. We actually got a couple of things and we stored them really nicely. Like even though the kitchen is small, we still stored them,
On top of each other.
on top of each other. Yeah. So this is the dishwasher. That's our latest essential, and I must say it's really, really useful. Like it saves us a lot of time. This is our oven. It's really old, but it works. This is our money plant.
Do you guys also believe in this money plant theory? Because there was a time in March, I think, for a couple of days, for 2 weeks, this money plant was dried. We didn't put water and was रूखा सूखा हो गया था. And at the same time, we also had some money issues.
Everything got delayed.
Everything got delayed due to the March. Everybody was telling it's March, it's March, it's March. I'm like, dude, I also have March. Right?
हाँ हमारे लिए भी match है तो
Yeah.
जो भी है, though the kitchen is small, but at least we have this beautiful jungle view. And the coolest thing ever is this attachment. I don't know, like it's not a glass, it's actually like a foil, and it's also not sticking. It's just like with water. And we got that like for, I don't know, 400 rupees or something. And it's just really nice. Like, look at this reflection all over in the kitchen. Like, I see it on Arjun right now. Look at this. He looks like a rainbow. चलो अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ हमारा बेडरूम. ये है हमारा बेडरूम. तो एक्चुअली सबसे नाइस चीज़ है कि हमारा सनसेट फ्लैट हर कमरा में सनसेट लाइट आएगा. तो ये गोल्डन लाइट बहुत एस्थेटिक है, बहुत सुंदर है. And I don't know, it just makes the home feel more home. So this is the heart of this bedroom. Actually, Arjun has made that for me. Like, I was like that little girl that always dreamed of having her own vanity table. So he made it for me. And I'm like really so grateful. Like every time I'm making my makeup, I'm so happy. And Arjun is right now smiling. Like his smile is so big when I'm talking about it. By the way, look at this, how spacious it is. Like this is all my makeup. And these little stairs, they are for Peanut. Because Peanut is so small and the bed is so high, so when she tries to come up, she can actually not reach here. So we got these little stairs, which also have storage from inside. So yeah, they're also really great. Aja, 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 aja. Good girl. Shabash. By the way, this blanket is also really nice. It's like warm from one side, and from the other side, it's just like silky and cold. We have 2 bathrooms, but we're actually using only one, because it's just more efficient. And the best thing on this bathroom is that we have a little window where the wind comes inside. So when we take a shower in the summer and it's hot, then the cold will come inside. And when you're wet, then it's just feeling so good. That's a nice thing, having a nice window in a bathroom. So Mrs. Peanut Butter, any comment on this? Nope. तो ये है मेरा vision board.
And this was my vision in all this big board. This is my vision, AU Interior, an interior design and fit out company.
And you made it.
I made it. I just changed the name from AU Interior, it became AU Design Studio. Interiors by AU Design Studio. And architects by AU Design Studio. And everything else by AU Design Studio.
We both believe that whatever we are putting there, like our dreams, our visions, whatever we want to achieve in our lives, then we put that, and this is our vision board for 2025. So every year we are also changing the things, and it's just something cool, it's something material that's hanging there, so you see it every day when you're passing by, and then you're actually manifesting the things, and the things become true. Actually, ये है एक 2 BHK flat, but we are only using one. And the second one is just for kachra, as you always know. In every flat, this has happened. It's literally just storage and kapra. तो और हमारा स्टूडियो का लाइट्स, हमारा ट्राइपॉड्स एंड कचरा. तो चलो जाओ बाहर जाओ. हाँ, एक चीज़ हमने भूल गए, डेक वॉल.
Oh yeah, it has very high ceilings. I will show you. Look at this. This doesn't make it hot. I mean, it keeps the house cool. Yeah.
Because the heat travels up and then.
So all the hot air is up and the down is cool.
Like I'm always thinking when you live on the top floor, then your house will be most hot and you have to use AC. But here, this is really not the case. Like we rarely use the AC. I think our electricity bill is like what, 800 rupees in a month.
800 rupees. And anyways, it's Goa. It's anyways cheaper. I feel like in Mumbai it used to be 12,000, 10,000, 10,000, 12,000. यार एक बार तो 18,000 का बिल आया था बिजली का। मैं बोला ये बिजली भरे कि क्या ही बोलूँ मैं, है ना। नहीं, गोवा गुड। 2,000 अगर आपका एसी कंटिन्यूस चलेंगे, 2 एसी 2,000 मैक्स टू मैक्स।
तो ये था हमारा घर का tour. We are going to move by next week already. Be prepared for lots of shifting stuff, lots of decoration videos,
And one more home tour.
and one more new home tour. Yay! I feel like this channel is all about
Home tours.
home tours. Like this is the most watched video though. Like all of those videos are like people love them, and we just love shifting. So
We just love shifting. Yeah, moving somewhere really close to the beach. It has a sea view again, sunset again, and it's like 800 meters from the beach, so you can literally walk, or maybe we can buy a cycle or 2 cycles. और जो गोलमाल वाला साइकिल वो एक आगे एक पीछे, we can just ride along in the cycle. And my showroom is also there.
that's actually the main reason why we're shifting. Like we love this flat, we love the society, everything is great,
Yeah.
and we love Goa. But actually, we are shifting mainly because Arjun's office and showroom is going to be nearby.
Studio. It's called studio.
Okay,
not
it's
showroom.
going to be nearby that new house, so that's why it's good to live nearby the work.
I will cut my travel time from here to there, that to here. Then I also have the workshop, so I don't need to go to the workshop so many times, but I have to go to the studio.
Take it though. We hope that you liked this video. Also, if you liked something from our decoration or home, we have linked the products in the description. So if you know, you know. And see you in the next video.
Yay!
Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.